Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to shut down your iPhone. So it doesn't really matter if it's an 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 or 16, and the process is the same. At first you have to hold the volume up button and the side button until you see this menu. Hold this button to the right and to power off your device. The fully shutdown should take up to 10 seconds, and after these 10 seconds you can turn on your phone back again comfortably, but it can take longer, and it's everything depending on your usage. Now we can turn on our phone by holding the side button. And that's it for this video. If you found it to help, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like under this video. Goodbye!